what's going on again, everybody? John here with North Texas Ceramic Coatings and Detailing of DFW. Got a little review of this garden sprayer. It's an electric sprayer. I wanted something to be able to spray the rinseless wash that we like to use on vehicles. And I thought this would make for a fun little video. This is just a garden sprayer from Amazon. So without me babbling about all this, let's get to the unboxing and see if this thing is worth the money. Let's go. Not exactly sure what the heck that is. Line, the handle part of the sprayer where you charge it. Bunch of nozzles here, strap, couple O-rings in the box just laying loose. That's kind of weird. Gotta love this Chinese stuff. Let me turn the camera a little bit here. I'll try my best not to block all this. The Side King electric sprayer. If I remember correctly, this thing was about 40 bucks. Just wanted something to spray rinseless wash with. You know, some of these sprayers are, you know, hundreds of dollars. And I felt that was a bit extreme to just to spray some rinseless wash with. Oh, there is a user manual in here. It looks like a pamphlet, not a manual. Okay, let's get this thing installed, put together. Put the hose in there and thread this down. I'd be careful with these threads because they are plastic. And it seems like you might be able to cross thread this thing very easily. So take your time, folks. That sticker's coming off right there. So there's that. What the heck is there no... Oh, you know what? I think I pulled that out originally. That's a different box. Where the heck? Hang on a second, folks. Well, folks, I guess the review on this is going to have to wait. I'm going to have to contact Amazon. There's a cat missing. Unbelievable. Well, stay tuned. It'll only be about 10 seconds for y'all. But we'll have to finish this later. Awesome. To be continued. And we're back, y'all. So anyway, here is this missing lid cap. It actually got mixed up in with some laundry detergent caps. We actually had it and didn't know it. Oh, what a crock. Anyway, let's get back to putting this thing together. I guess it's a measuring cap, so you can pour chemicals in. Just kind of cool. Kind of strange, but kind of cool. Let's get that on. See if this Side King electric sprayer is worth what it's supposed to be. You never know about this stuff from Amazon, whether it's worth a damn or not. Might have to readjust this. All right. Let's get some product in here. And we're back. So I brought the Kia in. We're going to test out this garden sprayer and rinseless wash this thing. Let's see how it goes. So far, so good. Got a giant fan on here. I'd like to make that fan a little bit smaller. I wonder if one of the other tips would make it smaller. Apologize for the tight, cramped quarters. We are rearranging a few things. This thing isn't very dirty. I gotta put this strap on. Wasn't sure if I was gonna put it over my shoulder or hang on to it. Guess I'm gonna put it over my shoulder. Seems to be doing a fairly decent job of getting the rinseless wash, I've been on that kick lately. I mean to say I did it again. I mean to say rinseless, and I say waterless, like a jackass. Didn't work too bad. Really like to know what these other tips do. But I am going to let the Rinseless do its thing here for a minute. I don't know if you're all catching me, but I got a bucket here with Rinseless wash in it. In case y'all might have forgot, it's DIY Rinseless version 2, cut 256:1. I'm going to bring you guys in for this. You can tell that it's emulsifying and encapsulating everything. And we'll see if this mat here gets slick. That's what I was afraid of. I'd slip and fall and bust my ass on it. But without further ado, let's go ahead and I can tell there's contamination on this thing. You can hear it. But I am going to save that for another video. And I'm going to time lapse this so I can get around it quickly. My initial thoughts on this garden sprayer from Amazon, if I had to give it a rating out of 10, I'd give it an 8 out of 10. I wish the fan was a little bit smaller. Not a lot, but it's a very giant fan. But it does the job. I mean, for 40 bucks, you can't complain. We'll see how it lasts and see if it was worth the 40 bucks or not. I won't bore you with me going around this thing doing a rinseless wash that everybody has seen 1,000 times. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit that like button and the notification bell so you can get notified of future videos. Once again, my name is John. We are North Texas Ceramic Coatings and Detailing of DFW. Happy New Year, everybody. We will see you in the next video. Have a great weekend, y'all. See y'all soon.